Today, let's talk about the characteristics of cooperation between foreign buyers and Chinese trading companies. First, trading companies only focus on transaction, so they are enthusiastic before that, but full of mistakes after that. Second, trading companies cooperate with the cheapest factories in China after receiving customers' orders. In China, it has always been one price and one quality. So you can imagine the quality of the manufacturers a trading company can work with is usually the worst. Third, in order to maximize profits, trading companies usually promise customers 100% quality, but the final product received may only have 60% quality. Fourth, if there is a problem with the quality of the goods, trading companies will avoid your claim or disappear directly according to the severity of the problem. They are not factories and don't have factories, so they don't have ability to compensate for your customer complaint. Have you met the above situation in your past purchasing experience?